I have a correction to share about your classroom code. So let me go to About, and here's your class code. One thing that I said that you can't change it. I need to put the correction as this. You can't create your own classroom code, but you can reset it. Let's go to Settings. Here you see my classroom code. Click there. I can display it. Let me show you larger. So this is the code. Classroom name. If I wanted to make it full screen. Da-da-da. But here's the part. If you wanted to copy it and paste it somewhere or disable it that you don't want people to be able to enter in at a certain time. But the reset. I'm going to click reset and let's watch the code change. Now I have a new code for that class. Again, I'm not the one selecting what that code is and changing it and saying, hey, I want it to be Ron 234 or something like that. But it does it that way so you can reset it. So I just wanted to do that small correction. One more time, I'll take you through how I got there. Settings. Then I click reset. Boom, and it gives it a new code. I changed it again. It changes it every time, so I'm not selecting that. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you.